Intro. Welcome to Word Insights, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're diving into the word guilty. Let's get started. Meaning. Guilty is an adjective used to describe a person who has committed a crime, offense, or wrongdoing. It signifies that someone is responsible for their actions, often with a sense of moral or legal responsibility for what they have done. Pronunciation. Pronounce guilty as lt, rhyming with silky. Use in a sentence. Here's an example. The jury found the defendant guilty of the theft. Synonyms. If you're searching for synonyms for guilty, you can use culpable, blameworthy, responsible, or at fault. Antonyms. On the contrary, antonyms of guilty might include innocent, not guilty, or exonerated. Conclusion. That's our insight into the word guilty. It's a term used to indicate that someone is morally or legally responsible for a wrongdoing. Thanks for joining us. And remember that in legal contexts, the presumption of innocence is a fundamental principle until proven guilty in a court of law.